Hello children, good morning. In the last class we studied about the reaction of an acids with metallic carbonates and metallic bicarbonates. And in this class you are going to learn about reaction of an acids with metallic oxides. How the acids will react with the metallic oxides. First, do you know about what do you mean by metallic oxides? What are metallic oxides? See here we have some examples, that is Na2O, MgO and CaO. So these are metals: Na, sodium, magnesium and also calcium, and along with oxygen. How you should know sodium, magnesium, calcium are metals? I already told in my previous class that in a periodic table, group number 1 to group number 12 are metals. Okay, sodium will comes in a group 1 and magnesium, that is a group 2, and calcium will comes under the group 2. So these are the metals, and here we have an oxygen. Metals in the combination of oxygen or metals combines with an oxygen to form a compound that you can call it as a metallic oxides. Clear? Metals is in the combination of an oxygen or metals can be added to the oxygen, the resulting compound you can call it as a metallic oxides. Clear about metallic oxides? Now let us write the general equation for how the metals can react with the metallic. So how the acids can react with the metallic oxides. Here is a general reaction. You can take any acid. Acid can react with the metallic oxides. You can get a product that is salt as well as water. Okay, acids can react with the metallic oxides. You can get salt along with water. So this is the general reaction for how the acids will react with the metallic oxides. Clear? And let us see one example. Here we have an hydrochloric acid. This is an acid. How can you say this is an acid? You know acids will contain a H plus ion. Here we have an hydrogen. So you can say HCl is an acid. Next, it can react with the metallic oxide. Copper oxide is a metallic oxide I have taken here. So HCl can react with copper oxide. It is slightly blackish in color, and CuO is nothing but copper oxide. Water is common. You can write water. Hydrogen and oxygen will come out as water. What are the remaining terms? Copper and chlorine. So remaining terms you can write CuCl. Okay, this is the remaining term. So you can cross check the formula by its valency, right? The valency of copper is 2 and the valency of chlorine is 1. Just cross it. CuCl2. So this is our final formula, CuCl2. Okay, copper chloride. Okay, and this is a salt. So this is the example for acids reacts with the metallic oxides to form a salt as well as a water. Here we have one more example, that is here I taken H2SO4. You know sulfuric acid can react with sodium oxide, Na2O. Okay, the result may be salt and water. Water is common, you can write the water directly. and hydrogen and oxygen come out as water, and the remaining term is sodium and sulfur. Okay, you can write NaSO4 and you can cross check by its valency, right? The valency of sodium is 1, the valency of sulfur is 2. Just cross it. Na2SO4. So this is the formula. Okay, sodium sulfate. Clear? This is the example number 2, and here we have another example, that is H2SO4. You know this is an acid, CO, calcium oxide. The results will be salt and water. Water will be common, and which type of a product do you get? That you are going to guess it, and this is your homework. Okay, so this is about the reaction of an acid with an metallic oxides. Once again, I will tell you, metallic oxides means metals is in the combination of an oxygen. The compound will be formed, that you can call it as a metallic oxides. The reaction of an acid with the metallic oxide results in the formation of a salt as well as water. For example, HCl is an acid, can react with the metallic oxide, that is copper oxide. You can get a copper chloride along with water. Please keep in mind, you can cross check the formula by using its valency. And next one is H2SO4. Here we have, it can react with the metallic oxide, that is sodium oxide, and results in the formation of a sodium sulfate along with water. Clear? And this is your homework. You can guess which type of a salt do you get. Salt means not only NaCl. We have so many different varieties of salts that I have told in the last class. Okay, so this is your today's homework, and this is about the reaction of an acids with a metallic oxides. Next is reaction of an acids with a base. Okay, acids can react with a base and results in the formation of the salts and water. Okay, acids can react with the base and the products will be salt and water. This reaction of acids and the base, this you can call it as a neutralization reaction. Okay, the reaction between acid and base results in the formation of a salt and water. This is also called as a neutralization reaction, and this is a general equation for the reaction of an acid with the base. Let us see an example. Here we have an HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, reacts with sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH. This is an acid because we have an H plus ion, and this is a base because we have an OH minus ion. HCl can react with NaOH, means hydrogen and hydroxyl ion group will come out as water, that is H2O, and the remaining products are NaCl. Okay, you can cross check the formula by using its valency. The valency of sodium is 1 and chlorine is also 1. 1 get cancelled, and our product is NaCl, that is a sodium chloride, and it is a salt. And this is an example for acid with a base, or it is an example for a neutralization reaction. Here we have an important note, that is neutralization reactions are exothermic. What do you mean by exothermic? Do you know in your previous class? I think exothermic is nothing but an excess of heat will be liberated in a chemical reaction. During a chemical reaction, excess of heat will be liberated. So this is a neutralization reaction. So in this reaction, excess of heat is going to be liberated. So that's why this is the example for a neutralization reaction, and also it is an exothermic reaction. Clear, children? So now let us see one more example, that is I can replace HCl by H2SO4, sulfuric acid, and again I take an NaOH as a base. The reactant products will be H2SO4 reacts with NaOH, H2O will be common, water. So you can just predict the remaining products. NaSO4 will be remaining, you can write NaSO4. Cross check the formula by using its valency. The valency of sodium is 1, the valency of sulfur is 2. Just cross it. Here we can get Na2SO4. Okay. Sodium sulfate, that is a salt. Okay. These are the two examples for neutralization reaction, and these two are exothermic. And here also you can see excess of heat will be liberated. And next one is, you should predict which type of a salt do you get. HCl, again acid. Here we have a base, that is potassium hydroxide. HCl can react with KOH. Which type of a salt do you get? So that you should predict. So this is your homework, and here water is common along with the liberation of heat, because it is a neutralization reaction, and neutralization reactions are always exothermic. Okay, this is about the reaction of an acid with a base, or about the neutralization reaction.